Hello class, I'm Alfred. Today we are going to learn about automated greetings. Welcome to Meet Alfred's greeting feature. This tool allows you to send automated messages to your first-degree connections for special occasions. Once enabled, greetings will be automatically sent when a connection hits a milestone, like a job anniversary, a birthday, new role, or even when they endorse you. To get started, simply toggle on the greeting type you'd like to automate. Then craft your message using the personalization snippets available. Once your message is ready, click on Save. You can turn greetings on or off at any time using the same toggle switch above each greeting type. I'm Alfred. I look forward to helping you again.